Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share to you a meal which is a little difficult for me, and this is the first time I'm going to make this, but then it has a lot of variations in the Philippines. But this one I'm going to show you the version I grew up with from the central region, and this is what we call Bringhe. So Bringhe, according to Google, they say that this is the poor man's paella. But even if it's a poor man's paella, it has a lot of ingredients and the taste is not poor because it is so rich that you want to have this served whenever there is a celebration like birthdays or fiesta at home. And let's have the ingredients. I have here green capsicum, carrots, pieces of bay leaves, and tomatoes. You may use canned tomatoes or tomato sauce if you want, but I prefer to use fresh tomatoes diced. Next we have potatoes, then a can of coconut milk, some raisins, of course glutinous rice, then a chunk of meat, pork, and this one is chicken, and of course banana leaves. Let's start. But here I added big chunks of chicken to save time and the effort and gas, of course. And those big chunks will be used for my husband's lunch tomorrow. And yes, because it will taste like caldereta with coconut milk. Actually use the red capsicum, but I prefer the green one, so it's up to you. So this is just mainly for coloring, but others use turmeric, and then others just use the tomato sauce. So it's up to you, but this is what I grew up with, so I'm using annatto powder. You may also use annatto oil or annatto seeds soaked in warm water, but then that would take a lot of my time and effort, so I just grab this annatto powder. Color looks good to me, so I'm not going to add more annatto powder. That looks good to me. I love food with coconut milk or cream. I don't know why. It's really different if there's coconut milk in your dish. The smell of it makes it savory. So at this point, I removed all the solids from our soup because I need the liquid for cooking our Vietnamese rice. Some do this in a rice cooker, but I prefer this method because I can have a hold or control of how much liquid I still need to put so that the rice won't be that sticky or raw. Just make sure that your stove is in low fire, and if you have a non-stick pot or pan, that would be better, but it's alright if you have the usual or the ordinary stainless pans or pots. Just stir it continuously to avoid rice from sticking at the bottom of your pot or pan. So this is it. Feel free to add water if you think the liquid is not enough for your rice to be cooked. Just make it little by little or gradually. My gosh, I'm really having a hard time how to pronounce this dish. I don't know, some says it's paella, paella, whatever, but I searched for how do Aussies pronounce this. They say paella or paella. So whatever it is, it's just still Bringhe. So in this video, I am preparing my banana leaves, and the pan is where Bringhe will happen. I am really ensuring that my pan is covered with banana leaves because one, I don't want rice sticking to my pan, and two, it is a lot easier to turn this upside down later, and three, banana leaves aroma is just awesome. Oh, how nice. So I'm going to transfer this now in a pan with banana leaves and let it cook for quite some time because I really want that burnt part of this. And I'm going to mix those solids, the meat, the potatoes, and carrots. figure out how to turn this upside down until I saw my round chopping board, and I'm really thankful for that. If you have a pizza tray, that would be great. And if you have a huge round plate at home, that would be better also. So just be careful when you turn this upside down because it's really hard, especially for first time like me. I'm really praying not to mess with this at this point. That's why I really can't transfer it as soon as possible. See? Just make sure there is a plate ready for you once you turn this upside down. It's quite messy because of the sauce, but anyways, it's worth a try. So I'm now turning it upside down. Yeah! And I was successful. I love my round chopping board. See? It's so exciting. Cooking really needs a lot of patience and passion. So just cook this, have it burn the way you want it, and then soon will be ready to be served on your table. I was really confused that I forgot that I have a lid for this. There you have it, the Bringhe version I grew up with. So let's dig in. I hope you learned something new from me. This is what I gave my Pinoy kapitbahay, and this one is for me, the burnt part.